Hey there! Financial Frontier here to chart your path to financial freedom. Today, we will be discussing the importance of building a following base and how to monetize it. Building a following base is important because it provides you with an audience that is interested in your content and willing to engage with you. By having a following base, you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche and expand your reach to potential customers, clients, and investors. One of the most effective ways to monetize your following base is through email lists. Email lists allow you to communicate with your audience directly and offer them exclusive content, promotions, and updates. By providing valuable content and personalized offers, you can build trust and loyalty with your audience, increasing the likelihood of sales and referrals. Affiliate marketing is another popular monetization strategy. By partnering with companies that align with your brand and niche, you can promote their products or services to your following base and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Affiliate marketing allows you to monetize your following base without the need to create your own products or services. Selling courses and educational materials is also a great way to monetize your following base. If you have expertise in your niche, you can create online courses, e-books, and other educational materials to sell to your audience. By providing valuable information and insights, you can establish yourself as a trusted source of knowledge, increasing the value of your brand and the likelihood of sales. Paid promotions are another way to monetize your following base. Companies may approach you to promote their products or services to your following base in exchange for payment. Paid promotions can be a lucrative source of income, but it's important to ensure that the promotions align with your brand and values to maintain the trust and loyalty of your audience. In addition to these strategies, there are many other ways to monetize your following base, such as sponsored content, merchandise sales, and coaching programs. The key is to understand your audience, their needs, and their interests, and create valuable content and offers that cater to them. To build a following base, it's important to create content that is valuable, engaging, and consistent. Whether it's through blog posts, social media updates, videos, or podcasts, your content should provide value to your audience and reflect your expertise in your niche. By engaging with your audience, responding to comments and messages, and building relationships, you can create a loyal community that is invested in your brand and willing to support your monetization efforts. In conclusion, building a following base is essential for monetizing your expertise and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. By utilizing email lists, affiliate marketing, course selling, paid promotions, and other strategies, you can monetize your following base and generate revenue. By providing valuable content, engaging with your audience, and understanding their needs and interests, you can build a loyal community that supports your monetization efforts and contributes to your financial success. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.